Cheers. Welcome to our chocolate factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made, step by step.
The huge automated machines begin the process, grinding the roasted cocoa beans. This intense milling generates
Ratios adjusted. Viscosity is stabilizing now.
Good, we're back in the green. Monitor the temperature spike.
Every batch is carefully refined and tempered for perfect taste and texture.
The secret to truly inspiring chocolate lies in the details, where every bar is meticulously crafted for an unforgettable experience.
Every chocolate bar is carefully checked before leaving the factory.
And that's how chocolate is made, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.